There are hidden rules to attraction, rules that most men will never understand. Rules that, when used correctly, can make almost any woman think about you, desire you, and even fall for you. Sometimes without her even realizing why. But first, here's the truth. Seduction isn't about forcing someone to like you. It's about creating the conditions where desire naturally grows. It's not about chasing, it's about pulling. Let me break it down. There are three dark psychological keys every man must master if he wants to make a woman truly fall for him. Most men waste their energy chasing the wrong women. No matter how good your game is, some women are emotionally closed off, distracted, or simply not attracted to you in the first place. That's why the first rule is to choose your target carefully. Look for signs of receptiveness. Does she make eye contact? Does she smile easily when you speak? Does she ask you personal questions or seem genuinely curious? If yes, then she's open to your energy. If not, walk away. The right victim makes everything easier. The wrong one wastes your time, energy, and confidence. Now that you've identified your target, the next key is to disarm her defenses. Here's where most men go wrong. They come on too strong too early. Instead, be indirect. Talk about random things. Share stories. Tease. As if you're just having fun, not chasing her approval. This creates what psychologists call a false sense of security. When she doesn't feel pressured, she lets her guard down. And when her guard is down, that's when emotional connection can grow. The fastest way to make someone run is to make them feel cornered. But if you let things unfold naturally, she'll step closer to you on her own. Here's the masterstroke. Most guys are either too hot or too cold. They're either clingy or disinterested, and women get bored fast. The key is to create psychological tension by sending mixed signals. One moment, be warm, engaging, playful. The next, pull back slightly. Make her wonder. Text first sometimes, but other times leave her curious. This unpredictability triggers dopamine spikes in her brain, the same mechanism behind obsession and addiction. When she's not sure where she stands with you, she invests more. She thinks about you more. And that's when attraction transforms into obsession. These are the dark psychological tricks used by the most seductive people in history. Choose the right woman, one who's open to you. Create safety by being playful and indirect. Stay unpredictable by sending mixed signals. If you master these, you'll never have to chase again. She'll chase you. Subscribe for more cold truths in dating mastery.